guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Guess what's new this time? It's the brand new sublimation oven we just launched. It comes with this very beautiful light blue color and simple elegant design. You definitely haven't seen such a sublimation oven before, and it is very compact. It only takes up a little space, but it has plenty of space inside for you to print. You can print 6 11-ounce marks at one time. And it's not difficult to use at all. Let me show you how to use it. So I'm going to print some marks first, and these are the things I need: marks, mark wraps, images, thermal tape, and our sublimation oven. First, I need to wrap the marks. Stick my image on the mark with thermal tape and wrap it with the mark wrap. Now all my marks got wrapped. Next, I need to set the oven. Turn it on first, and the machine enters the upper and lower tube heating mode automatically. Press hot air button to turn on the fan inside and start the hot air circulation, so the temperature inside will be even and constant. Adjust the printing temperature by turning the left knob. Printing 6 marks only needs 195 degrees Celsius. The right knob is for adjusting time. It only takes 20 minutes to print 6 marks. After all the settings, print start or stop button to preheat the oven. That beep means it has warmed up to the temperature I just set. Now I can put my marks in. And close the oven. It will count down automatically. 20 minutes passes. Let's check the marks. And I take them out one by one. They look so great. All of them are great. All the printout images have no color difference and only need to wait for 20 minutes. Then I have all these beautiful marks. And our sublimation oven can print more items, not just marks. See, our sublimation oven can not only print more items at one time, but also print various kind of items. It is your must-have helper to print diversely and efficiently. Choose this little sublimation oven. It can help you to print what you want to print.